Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to effectively play your Rainstick. Now my Rainstick is about 59, 58 inches, so almost, I think that's like about 2 feet, or not 2 feet, 5 feet. um, so one of the biggest tips is go ahead and start by having your Rainstick at a 0 degree. 0 degree meaning completely perpendicular from your body. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead, when you have it on one side completely with all like the beads and everything in it, it's like about a 45 degree. So as you go ahead and start tipping it, you want to do it very slowly. You don't want to rush this, unless you're trying to have straight out like downpour type of rain falling. Okay. So the trick is one of the things you always have to think about is the way that the little picks are in. They're in here and they're in a diagonal spiral, right? A diagonal spiral going down or going up, however you want to look at it. So you start here at 0 degrees, and then as you start to tip it, you want to use your hand. So you're holding it kind of like with the base of both your index and your middle finger and your thumb. And their ring and pinky finger are just there to kind of help with more brace and to kind of just help to turn it. So as you turn, you tip it more into a 45 degree. And you don't have to keep tipping. Once you have that nice, like equal sound, you just keep turning. So as you can see, like it's slowly getting tipped more because the weight of it, there's less, more going down to the bottom. But you literally could stop tipping and just moving it in a circular motion. You'll begin to feel the bottom being more heavy. And then as you can tell, it's going ahead and stopping. And when you're doing this, like, yes, okay, now everything's here. Oh no, it's not a continuous. That's okay, because when we do sound, the little bit of silence in between is needed. It's not something where you're like, oh, I gotta quickly turn and start. Oh no, like, oh, I gotta quickly turn and start. No. So like as you go, the sound stops, and then you just gently turn again. Continuously turning it into a clockwise motion. You can even stop with turning it when you hear a little like, like, oh, it's going, and then continue to turn it. So anyways, I hope this helped. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability.